Good afternoon, team. It's Brian Benjamin with the Pulaski County Public Library Teen Department here. Today we're going to show you how to make your own solar oven. So you're going to need a few supplies for this. I was able to talk with our local Donato's and picked up an empty pizza box. You'll also need some old newspapers, a aluminum pie pan from Dollar Tree, let's say. We've got a bamboo skewer, some duct tape, some black construction paper, and aluminum foil. So all you're going to do for this craft is you're going to take a pizza box and measure out around 1 inch from each edge. So we've got an inch up from here, an inch from either side, and then you want to cut through the box on the opening edge of the pizza box, the front, and both sides, so just not the back where the hinge would typically be anyway. For that, you're just going to kind of score it with a knife and just barely go in so that we can create a nice flap, but not cut it all the way off. You'll then raise that flap up. Go ahead and coat the underside of your lid with aluminum foil. I was able to just lay some Elmer's glue under the foil and then slap the foil down. It stuck really well. And then for the opening of the pizza box, you're going to cover that with cellophane or some sort of a plastic wrap, just a clear plastic wrap. What we're doing here is creating some place for the sun to reflect into and a way for the sun to get through and heat what's underneath without it being open to the air. So then once you get your foil taped onto the lid and your plastic covering that opening that we made, we'll go to the inside of the box. And you're going to use aluminum foil again to coat the entire bottom side of the box. So if you look here, we've got aluminum foil that's underneath all of this black construction paper. Again, just regular Elmer's glue to glue that down. And then you're going to glue down the black construction paper on top of that. Now the reason for that is a lot of us know, if you're in the sun on a hot day, if you're wearing a white shirt, you don't feel quite as hot because the sun hits that white and reflects off of it. Well, black is a color that absorbs the sun's heat. So by putting that black construction paper on top of the aluminum foil, the foil allows us to have a nice insulation, and then the black helps absorb the heat. We're then going to take the old newspapers and just roll them up, and I was able to put a rubber band around them, and you're going to use those in all of the edges of the box. And what we're doing is creating a way to insulate those sides nice and thick so that we don't have any of our heat escaping as we're trying to cook something. So I just cut a bunch of little pieces off here. Go ahead and push all those in, and then take your aluminum baking dish and set it in the center. We'll then close the cellophane portion of the pizza box lid. And we're going to use a bamboo skewer, this here, and you can tape it to one side or even to both, and prop that up and face this into the sun so that when the sun hits the foil, it then redirects down into our cooking area. And depending on what you're trying to make, if you're just trying to melt some chocolate for a s'more or a marshmallow, it might only take 5 minutes. If you wanted to make a grilled cheese, I imagine it would get hot enough to grill that cheese on the pan there. So that's what we've got for a solar pizza oven. I encourage you to give this a try this summer. I know we're going to have a lot of hot days, so might as well fix yourself something to eat outside. That's it, and we'll see you next time. Thank you.